there's like a gunk thing.
Soccer mum Bob. 500,000 Spotify streams. It has been so difficult. See how it goes.
Love, let's talk about love. Is it anything and everything you hope for? Or do the feeling on you? I know the feeling on you. This may be the night and my dreams might let me know.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. This is your girl, Princess Wanda, here in the building. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Really helps you out. First thing I wanted to update you guys on was my skincare journey situation happening. So if you guys saw in my previous vlog, I did my first skin analysis, and with that some light therapy. I've been using I don't want to call it prescribed, but a recommended skincare program by one of the estheticians. So it's literally just a very gentle cleanser and a moisturizer along with sunscreen, which everybody should be using. And then I've basically just been seeing how things have been going. And then after I did a Hydra facial, I wanted to give you guys like my feedback from the Hydra facial. So my experience, I actually quite enjoyed it. What was interesting was because I didn't actually record the thing because I was just trying to enjoy it and it was my first time. So what I found was that my esthetician was telling me that whenever she would try and put the I don't know, the glycerol, whatever it was that she was putting on my face, like my skin would drink it up instantly. And she wanted to do it that when she was done with the whole process, she wanted some of it to just like sit on my face for a minute. But as soon as she moved to like another side of my face, it was completely, my skin was literally dry. So she was very generous in how much she applied on my face. So I was very grateful for that. Oh, there's like a gunk thing, like a gunk box. I forgot what it's called, but I'll insert it. And it's basically all like your skin cells, all the bacteria, all the gunk that they get out of your skin. And she said that mine was pretty damn clear. Like some of the ones that they get out is like brown, which is like, wow. But yeah, she was saying that there's just not much inside mine and that the breakouts and stuff is very normal and I shouldn't freak out. It's just my skin basically like, you know, rerouting and figuring out what's happening. So very excited about that. And it's coming up to the holidays, and I just want to be doing nice things for myself. I'm not gonna lie, like the hydrofacial stuff, that was my first time doing that. I am gonna get a silk press soon, another one, because I have not done it in, again, like maybe 2 years. I just reset my brain, reset everything in the last year and a half. So, you know, I wanted to get back into the flow of things. I don't know if we're gonna do highlights and lowlights or we're gonna go full on ash blonde this time, but we'll see. I'm gonna show you guys and probably take you guys with me.
Editing Princess here. So number one, I'm back from my silk press. I'm absolutely loving it. I just can't wait for the length to come in because right now it's giving soccer mum Bob. There's nothing wrong with the soccer mums. Love you guys. It's not really what I'm going for, but I had a lot of damage, stress, and the works. So starting over on my color treated hair journey. So I'm basically trying to take my diet very seriously. I feel like as an artist, a lot of people do know now because there's the internet, but for those who don't know, as an artist, your diet is very important. And I don't mean just in the context of like your performance and how you're able to carry yourself on stage, but also vocally. What you eat is very, very important. The level of acidity in your food, how much mucus is formed when you eat certain things like dairy, how you are with citric things. So all of those things matter. So long story short, I'm trying to take my diet more seriously these days. I've been eating much better. You would never catch me eating an avocado. I've turned a new leaf. I've started eating avocados with a whole lot of salt and chili flakes, but nevertheless, I'm still eating them. I'm eating a lot more meats. I've tried to cut, I can't believe a whole Nigerian babe has been able to cut down her carbs. It's insane. Like, I think I eat rice maybe like twice a week now, if that. But I've been eating my egg without any bread, um, without any potatoes, even though I don't mind potatoes. I've been able to do a lot of those things without that. I'm not really that much of an alcohol lover, but I've cut that out as well. Water, 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 water. I've been avoiding the soft drinks, the sodas, whatever. And I feel like I've definitely noticed a difference in like bloatedness and that reducing. Obviously, when it comes to your time of the month, absolutely nothing I can do about that. But which also is another reason why I haven't been too pressed about my face. This is like the day before I'm posting this vlog, so my skin has calmed down significantly. I think the stress of coming onto your time of the month added to my skin being so inflamed. But it's only one, two, I think three. These are like scars that are like going. But yeah, it's just one, two, and maybe another one hiding somewhere. But yeah, other than that, we're doing good. We're great. The left side is pretty much fine now. Whew, you don't realize how much you love your skin until it goes crazy. The other rant I wanted to have, I'm not gonna lie, as a content creator, which is essentially half of the job of an artist these days, it has been so difficult remaining consistent. Even this vlog that I'm about to post, I'm kind of doing this as like a diary to myself, not just doing vlogs for the sake of doing vlogs. Like, I want to track my progress as an artist, as somebody who's taking content creation more seriously, as someone who's trying to share more. And I've just found it really difficult being consistent and living real life. I've just found it really difficult getting it together. And best believe I have a content calendar for all my social media platforms, but I find that being able to commit to everything equally is impossible, which is why I don't get how people have like multiple relationships or they're polyamorous. I mean, that's a different thing entirely, but you understand what I'm trying to say. To give something attention equally, for me, feels impossible. Certain things are going to suffer or be starved of attention slightly more than others. Like my hair journey or my trip to the hair salon, I've already posted it on TikTok, but the consistency of me posting every day on TikTok, I don't know if I can do that. Even if I was a full-time TikToker, like how does that even work? I mean, I know how it works. It's called bulk content creation, but I don't have the capacity to do bulk content creation for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube full-length videos, YouTube shorts, I don't know, Twitch, all these other platforms, because as some of you know, I've started recording like my gaming sessions and I plan to do gaming lives with like the overlays and everything. I'm just trying to like work out the kinks and sort out how to do it because it's something that I watch but I don't actually have any idea how to do. So I've just been going online and doing research on that. Anyway, it's just another avenue for me to figure out a way to talk to people and to find my tribe, so to speak, because I do love gaming. I do love interacting with people, but I haven't done it in that form before. So that should be interesting. Even though, you know, as an artist, creating is something that's supposed to flow naturally, doing it like in a conveyor belt style, just constantly bringing things out is a bit frustrating because it doesn't feel as organic. It's only organic because it's coming from me and I'm not obviously forcing it. And obviously, the things I don't want to talk about, I don't have to talk about, but it can get frustrating when you are trying your best and you feel like the results aren't what you need it to be. But I'm not going to let that discourage me. I'm just going to keep fine tuning and figuring out who my tribe are, what they like, what they don't like, and, you know, seeing how things go from there. The other thing I wanted to do was say thank you to everybody who's been streaming my songs and you've checked out my music. I just want to say a big thank you. I'm so appreciative. I believe International Lovin' is almost on 500,000 Spotify streams, which is amazing. And that is in just 4 weeks, which is a record for me. The song before, I think it was like 8 weeks we got to or so before we hit that number. So I'm really, really ecstatic, really, really exhausted, but we moved. I'm really hoping next year I'm able to release my EP because, guys, best believe it's finished. Working on like mixing and mastering and making sure it sounds exactly how I want it to. Guys, I've shot content for it. I have a vlog that I've already shot, taking you guys through the day with me. Like, I'm really, really hopeful. Let's see how it goes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.